This is Steve with Craft Racing and More on YouTube. Target's back there. We got King with us. There she is. Alright, we'll be back in a sec. Alright. We've got ourselves some new shoes. We got Jack back there. And there's King. There she is. King's gonna help us. But anyways, we were moving some shoes around. We've got a new tread for the front. And then we're gonna put that one in the back. That's my kid's spare off of his Acura TL. So there she is. We've repaired it from last week's damage. We've got a few small things we got to do to it. We'll do it over the next couple of weeks, but right now, just getting ready for Friday night racing. All right, we're jacking her up. All right, well, discovered that those are not 19 millimeters, they're probably 20s. So what we're gonna do I've checked this side. You let somebody use your jack and next thing you know you got a screw missing out of it. All right. This is hard to do with one hand.